if there should be a warrant, I did not mention there was already a warrant. If there should be a warrant, we will probably do the same thing that we did in the case of the former president if the warrant is coursed through the Interpol, because we continue to be a member of the Interpol.
Wala pang arrest warrant na inisyu ang International Criminal Court o ICC laban kay Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa ukol sa war on drugs ng nakaraang administrasyon. Ito ang paglilinaw ni E.S. Bersamin. Ayon sa opisyal, ang kanya lamang sinabi sa mga nakaraang panayam ay kung sakali may lumabas na warrant of arrest laban sa iba pang personalidad, ipatutupad dito ng gobyerno gaya ng prosesong ginawa kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Hindi anya babaguhin ng gobyerno ang posisyon nito malibang maglabas ng desisyon ng Korte Suprema ukol sa isyong ito.
We are not going to do things differently unless the Supreme Court in those pending cases makes a different announcement about how we should proceed. Remember that it has been in the public domain after all that we have a law actually that says that the government in humanitarian crimes against humanity and human rights.
Binigyan diin ni E.S. Bersamin na may batas ang Pilipinas na pinapayagan ng gobyerno na isuko ang sinuman na inakusahan ng crimes against humanity at human rights. Hindi rin makatwiran para sa palace official na sabing hindi naging patas ang administrasyon sa ginawang pag-aresto kay dating Pangulong Duterte.
So wala talagang nothing discriminatory that we will ever undertake. We are always very clear about that. Hindi kami yung politically motivated. All those attributions to us are unfair. Were unfair.
Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.